Don't like what's on your Wikipedia page? We cover how to change it on this episode of Wikipedia Best Practices.
If a company has negative information on their Wikipedia page, the first thing to do out of 4 things is collect all the media clippings about the company. Second is to prepare where that content needs to be repaired. Third is go onto the Wikipedia Talk Page and post that there's content that's inaccurate or erroneous on the Wikipedia page. And the last part is to invite the community to collaborate.